Hello. In this video, we're going to look at the end behavior of polynomial functions. So when we say end behavior, we mean what is the function doing as x gets really, really large or really, really small? In other words, is it going up to infinity or down to negative infinity? So a graph's end behavior is determined from the equations. Sorry, it helps if I have my pen ready here. There we go. From the equations leading power function. This is the term with the highest exponent in a polynomial function. Excellent. So here's the thing. There are four possibilities for end behavior. Okay, and this all has to do with the degree of the power function. So if the degree is even, we have two different possibilities, and it all depends upon whether the coefficient is even or odd. So if the coefficient is even, here's what it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. Sorry, did I say even? I meant positive. There we go. So if the coefficient is positive and the degree is even, so even degree positive coefficient, it's going up to the left and up to the right. If the coefficient is negative, it's going to flip. It's going down to the left and down to the right. And this should make sense because if you remember, if we had a quadratic function, it looks like this. Remember though, if we had a negative out front, that is a reflection across the x-axis here, which means everything's going to flip to the other side, which means that it would look like this. So notice that degree 2 means that it's going up in both directions. Negative out front flips it, means it's going down in both directions. So that's kind of what's happening here. All right, next, let's go ahead and look at the degree being odd. So with the degree being odd, it's going to have either a positive or a negative coefficient. If it is a positive coefficient, it looks kind of like the cubic function. It's going down to the left and up to the right. Now, if the coefficient is negative, it flips it because it is a a reflection across the x-axis. So it's going to go up to the left and down to the right. So remember that when you graph a cubic function, it looks like this. And when you flip it across the x-axis, it looks like this. And that'll help you with these four different possibilities. Alrighty, these are the four different possibilities. Now that we know this, we're going to go ahead and look at applying this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.